Good day everyone, I am Jocelyn Carbonell from BSN 1P and for today's video, I'm going to demonstrate the urinary catheter. For the assessment, assess the need for catheterization and the type of catheterization order to assure the proper procedure is carried out. Then, assess for the need of peritoneal care prior to catheterization to reduce the transmission of microorganisms. Then, assess the urinary meatus for sign of infection or inflammation. Ask the client for any history of difficulty with prior catheterization, anxiety, or urinary structures. Allow detection of potential complications. Assess the client's ability to assess with the procedure. Then, assess the light. Then, assess for an allergy to provision, iodine, and or latex to avoid an allergic reaction. And lastly, watch for indication of distress or embarrassments, especially if the nurse is the opposite gender, to determine what teaching and support are needed. Explore further if indicated. For the planning, the catheter will be inserted without pain, trauma, or injury to the client. Then, the client's bladder will be emptied without complication. And lastly, the nurse will maintain the sterility of the catheter during insertion. And for the equipment, indwelling or straight catheter with drainage system, sterile catheterization kit, adequate lighting source, disposable gloves, sterile, blanket or drape, towel and forceps. Good day, I am Jocelyn Carbonell from BSN 1P and today I will be demonstrating the urinary catheter. Then, gather the equipment. Then, provide client privacy. Hi, Miss Mandy. Today I will be performing the urinary catheter. Please cooperate with this performance. Assist the client to supine position with the legs spread and feet together. Drape the client's abdomen and thighs if needed, exposing only the female genitalia. Then, perform hand hygiene and apply the gloves. The gloves. The other one. Then, proceed to the cleansing of the meatus with a cotton ball using forceps. Then, proceed to the cleansing of the meatus with a cotton ball using the forceps. Spread the labia with the other hand. So we're going to wipe from top to bottom aside. Then disregard this cotton. Then get a new cotton. Then wipe the other side with top to bottom again. Then disregard. Get a new cotton ball. Then wipe the middle top to bottom. Disregard. After that, cleansing the meatus and proceed to the insertion of the catheter. The length of the insertion should be 3 to 4 inches. So, Miss Mandy, inhale and exhale. Okay, and relax, ma'am. So now, ma'am, we're going to insert the urethra in 3 to 4 inches. Slowly inhale, exhale. Then inflate and deflate the retention balloon and detach the water filled with syringe. So that's all for today, Ma'am Mandy. Thank you. Then after that, remove the gloves and perform hand hygiene. And for the evaluation and documentation, the cutter was inserted without pain, trauma, or injury to the client. Then the client's bladder was empatized without complication. Then the nurse maintained the sterility of the cutter during insertion. While in the documentation, record the time and date the cutter was inserted. Note the size of the type of catheter used, including the size of retention balloon, the amount of sterile water used to inflate the balloon. Then, record the client's response to the procedure and the amount, color, quality of urine returned. And lastly, Record the amount of urine returned. And again, I am Jocelyn Carbonell from BSN 1B.